Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. In Stoic today, I'm diving deep into one of the most asked questions. What can you say to make a woman truly fall for you? I'm going to share 5 incredibly powerful tips, each rooted in psychology and designed to help you connect with her on a deeper level. Before we get started, let me ask for your support. YouTube thrives on engagement, which means your likes, comments, and shares are crucial. If you found value in my content, the best way to give back is to hit the like button. Right now, it's a small action that makes a big difference, helping this channel grow and ensuring more people get to see this kind of content. Can I count on you if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet? Take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you won't miss any of the powerful insights I share in every video. Alright, let's dive right in. Number 1, compliments that. Why compliments backfire and how to fix it count. When most guys are interested in a woman, they tend to shower her with compliments, often just generic ones like, "You're beautiful" or "You have amazing eyes," while it's natural to want to express how you feel. This approach usually backfires. Why? Because compliments like these are predictable and lack depth to make your compliment stand out. Focus on 2 critical elements. Make the compliment feel eared instead of bombarding her with praise. Every time you see her, let your admiration unfold. Naturally, compliment her in a way that feels like you're slowly discovering her unique qualities. Over time, highlight something meaningful. Compliments that focus on her personality, talents, or dreams are far more impactful than those about her looks. Example, if she tells you she wants to become a psychologist, say something like, "You're so easy to talk to. I can totally see you helping people open up." It's like, "You've got this natural talent for understanding others." Finish it off with a playful twist like, "Too bad you're such a goofball." This keeps the mood light and shows that you're interested in her, but not in an overbearing way. Number 2, be the selector. Here's a truth most guys don't realize. Attraction works both ways. It's not just about her being impressed by you, it's about her feeling like she has to win you over too. When you subtly show that you're assessing her qualities, it changes the dynamic. Most guys try too hard to impress women. But if you approach her with the mindset of, "Let's see if she meets my standards," she'll feel compelled to put in more effort to win your approval. This flips the script, making you the one in control of the interaction. Women value what they work for and the more effort she invests in. Compliments that count, the golden mirror technique. Getting your attention, the more attached she'll become. Number 3, keep her guessing. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is being too predictable. Women are naturally meaning makers. They're constantly interpreting what your actions and words might mean. When you keep her guessing, you create a sense of mystery that keeps her mentally engaged. Here's how to do it. Send mixed signals. For instance, tell her you like her, but follow it up with playful teasing or a light-hearted pushback. Be predictable in your actions and responses. Don't always reply instantly or behave in ways that are easy to decode. This mental challenge is highly addictive as it taps into her natural curiosity. She'll find herself thinking about you more because you're not easy to figure out. Number 4, future projection music. This is a fun and powerful way to create a deeper connection by subtly planting the idea of a future together in her mind. After taking a selfie with her, casually say something like, "Wow, we'd make beautiful babies," then quickly switch the topic. This technique anchors the idea of a future with you without being too serious or intense. It sparks her imagination and associates those thoughts with you in a playful way. Number 5, use her name to build intimacy. It might seem simple, but using her name during conversations, especially while making eye contact, is a subtle yet effective way to create intimacy. When you say her name, it draws her attention and creates a spark that makes the interaction feel more personal and meaningful. If you've ever had someone use your name during an intense conversation, you know how powerful this can be. It triggers her to wonder, if be the selector, why she should earn your attention. There's something deeper going on between you two. What to avoid while it's important to know what to say. It's equally crucial to understand what not to say. Here are 2 common mistakes to avoid revealing your feelings too soon. Telling her, "I like you" early in the interaction might seem like a bold move, but it actually undermines the chemistry. It removes the mystery and gives her all the power which can make her lose interest over the explaining your intentions. If she feels like you're trying to convince her to like you, it can come across as needy or desperate attraction. Isn't something you can force. It's something you guide her to feel naturally final. Thoughts. Attraction is a process. It's about creating meaningful layered connections that go beyond surface level. Compliments or predictable moves. When you approach interactions with patience and intentionality, you can guide her to feel like she's the one pursuing you. If you found this video valuable, here's how you can support the channel. Like this video to help it reach more people. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new content. Comment below with the phrase, "I am the most attractive man to women." Your engagement helps me continue creating high-quality content for you. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay confident, stay positive, and keep growing. You've got this.